Hey everyone! Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your trusted garage for honest car part reviews and upgrade guides. If your Toyota Sequoia has started feeling bumpy or you've noticed more body roll on turns, it's time to refresh those shocks. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best shocks for Toyota Sequoia, from budget-friendly replacements to full suspension upgrade kits that make your SUV feel brand new again. We've tested products from TRQ, Shoxtec, and more, comparing ride comfort, installation ease, and overall performance. So stay tuned till the end to find out which one gives the best balance between price and performance. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our next automotive breakdown. Number 5. Shoxtec Front Pair Complete Strut. If you want smooth performance and easy installation, the Shoxtec Front Pair Complete Strut Replacement Kit is a trusted option for the 2001 to 2007 Toyota Sequoia. It comes as a fully pre-assembled unit with coil springs, struts, and mounts, no need for a spring compressor, saving time and effort during setup. These struts are gas-charged and finely tuned to provide enhanced ride comfort while maintaining stability and cornering control. Shoxtec's engineering focuses on reducing body roll and improving steering response, making it ideal for daily driving and long-distance travel alike. Many users highlight how these struts absorb bumps quietly and restore the SUV's original smoothness after years of wear. The heavy-duty construction ensures long life, and the corrosion-resistant coating adds an extra layer of protection against rust. Number 4. Complete Front and Rear Struts Assembly. If you're aiming for a complete front and rear suspension replacement, this 4-piece strut and shock absorber kit is a powerhouse choice for both 4WD and RWD Toyota Sequoia models, 2001 to 2007. It includes front struts with coil springs and rear shocks, providing a total ride restoration from bumper to bumper. Built with high-carbon steel components and premium-grade coil springs, this assembly set offers excellent strength and resilience. Many Sequoia owners notice an immediate improvement in handling stability, cornering balance, and braking control after installation. The ride becomes smoother and more controlled, even when carrying extra passengers or towing. Because the kit comes fully pre-assembled, you won't need special tools or a spring compressor. It's a genuine time-saver for DIY enthusiasts or local mechanics who want a complete suspension swap in one go. Number 3. TRQ Rear Shock Absorber Set. If your rear suspension feels bouncy or uneven, the TRQ Rear Shock Absorber Set is a smart and affordable fix for 2003 to 2007 Toyota Sequoia models. Designed as a direct OE replacement, these shocks are built to restore factory ride comfort and stability without the need for complicated installation or adjustments. The TRQ rear shocks are gas-charged twin-tube units, offering a solid balance between smoothness and control. Many Sequoia owners have reported reduced vibration, better towing stability, and less rear-end sag when carrying passengers or heavy cargo. What makes this set stand out is the consistent damping response across different driving conditions, whether you're cruising on the highway, hauling a trailer, or tackling light off-road routes. The shocks absorb bumps efficiently, keeping the ride composed and predictable. Number 2. TRQ Front and Rear Complete Strut and Shock. For those looking for a complete suspension overhaul, the TRQ Front and Rear Strut and Shock Absorber Kit is one of the best all-around options for the 2003 to 2007 Toyota Sequoia. This full set includes both front struts with coil springs and rear shocks, making it a one-stop solution for restoring your vehicle's comfort and stability. TRQ engineered this kit to match factory ride height and damping characteristics, ensuring your Sequoia maintains its natural handling balance. The pre-assembled front struts make installation simple, no need to compress springs or reuse old hardware. Drivers often note a significant difference in cornering stability and braking performance after installation. Off-road and towing enthusiasts especially appreciate how this kit reduces bounce and body sway under heavy loads. On smooth highways, it gives a confident, cushioned ride, perfect for daily commuting or long family trips. Number 1. TRQ Front Strut and Coil Spring. If you drive a 2001 to 2007 Toyota Sequoia, this TRQ Front Strut and Coil Spring assembly set offers a complete front-end refresh that feels like a factory restoration. Designed with OEM specifications, it's an exact-fit replacement that delivers smooth handling and superior stability. The pre-assembled coil spring and strut combo eliminates installation guesswork, with no need for spring compressors or special tools. In real-world conditions, Sequoia owners report noticeable improvements in steering precision and ride comfort, especially when replacing old or sagging shocks. The robust build also minimizes body roll during cornering and provides reliable damping even on uneven terrain. So that wraps up our list of the best shocks for your Toyota Sequoia. Whether you're cruising the highway or towing on weekends, upgrading your suspension will make a huge difference in comfort and safety. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other Sequoia owners. You'll find all the Amazon links to these products in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and reviews yourself. Thanks for watching Automotive Widgets, where we make car upgrades simple, smart, and satisfying. See you in the next video.